The Gorakhnath Temple is a temple of Nath monastic order group of the Nath tradition. Gorakhpur takes its name from Gorakhnath, who was saint of the Nath Sampradaya, a yogi who travelled widely across India and authored a number of texts that form a part of the canon of Nath Sampradaya. The Nath tradition was founded by Guru Matsendra Nath. This mutt is situated in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh within large premises. The temple performs various cultural and social activities and serves as a cultural hub of the city. A shrine called Gorakhnath Mandir was built in his honor at the location where he practiced his daily rituals. The Gorakhpur region comprised the district of Maharajganj, Kushinagar, Devariya, Azamgarh, Mau, Balia and parts of the Nepal Tarai. These areas, which may be called the Gorakhpur Janpad, were an important center of the Hindu Vedic culture. Today's Gorakhnath Mutt, centered at Gorakhpur in eastern Uttar Pradesh, is a religious institution that runs two Gorakhnath temples, one in Nepal in the district of Gorakha, another word believed to be derived from Baba Gorakhnath, and the other a little south of Gorakhpur. The temple at Gorakhpur is said to contain the Samadhi Shrine and Gaddi of Gorakhnath. These temples constitute the center of most of the Hindu religious activity in this region. Thousands of devotees come to these temples on the occasion of Makar Sankranti when they offer khichdi to Gorakhnath Baba. The King of Nepal also occasionally visits one of these temples during this festival. The present Mahant or chief priest is Yogi Adityanath. He was appointed Mahant on 14 September 2014. He was preceded by his Guru Mahant Avaidyanath, who died on 12 September 2014 and was given Samadhi besides that of his Guru Digvijaynath in the Gorakhnath temple. The Gorakhnath temple is seen as the main Nath establishment among other Nath monasteries such Fatehpur Sikri and Asthal Bohar. The temple grounds reach across 52 acres of land in the heart of Gorakhpur. Within the temple are various hallways and rooms celebrating a variety of deities. First of Gorakhnath personal chamber Samadhi. The room once housed a statue of him but has since been replaced with footprints. It also holds his prayer seat where he held his seated pose once he returned from his travels. Leading out of the chamber is a gallery of statues including Shiva, Ganesh, Kali and Bhairav. Another room contains the 9 Nath founded in statue from Campion with other statues. When existing, the gallery surrounding Gorakhnath temple. There are other rooms and portraits allocated for other Hindu deities. Not only is the seat of Gorakhnath a defining features of the temple, the eternal flame, Divya Jyoti, is also held in the temple. It is said to have been burning since the time of Gorakhnath himself. Gorakhnath, also known as passionate in raising and serving cows. Away from the main temple, the residential space for current practicing ascetics can be found. Gorakhnath Mutt is a large pilgrimage center as well. All of these spaces within the temple grounds bring thousands of devotees as well as tourists.